Asan ka? Bago, hindi ako marunong.
Sino kasama niya? Si Pam?
How are you there? Good evening po. Is everybody excited tonight? Of course, it's going to be a wonderful night. Are you excited, Mama? Si Mama po, first time pala niya mag-host. Ikaw siya, first time ba?
Second.
Okay. Ako first time ko rin. First time ko rin magsuot ng ganito.
Ha? Ganda, no?
Galing naman yun.
I can see.
You're so sassy.
Papa John's.
Papa John's. I love it too. Next year daw, ikaw naman ang opening.
Nakaka-istorbo ako sa nakipin. Hindi ako marunong.
Hindi mo alam.
Thank you.
Your hosts for this evening, Lian, FAE Best Actress Maha Salvador, popular actor and recording artist Zia Nim, and the concert queen, Ms. Max Fernandez.
Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat and welcome to the 4th Star Awards for Music. Kanina kompleto at nagsama-sama lahat ng nominees para sa Song of the Year.
At ngayong gabi, kumpleto rin ang Philippine Movie Press Club in recognizing the best among the best in 28 categories. Public Outstanding News Awards from June 1st, 2011 until April 30, 2012.
Plus, we give out 2 tributes to this country's best composers and best singers. And a very, very special number. I am very much so